Alright, so we all know how intelligent AI has become, and if you don't know, then you must be really living under a rock because this thing has literally taken over. On social media, you see how people are able to scam people literally using fake AI generated people, which look very realistic. I mean, I don't really blame those people who get scammed, especially the older generation, because they're not really used to any of these things and they virtually cannot tell the difference between an AI generated person and a real person on social media. To them, it looks all the same. But anyway, I'm not interested in any of that. The point I'm trying to make here is AI is advanced, it is intelligent, and I'm somebody who trades. I'm interested in Forex trading. I love Forex trading. And I'm like, how can I use AI to my advantage when it comes to Forex trading? So I was like, can AI actually help me with Forex trading? That is what I'm going to be doing in today's video. I'm going to be asking AI for trading signals. And I've heard of it all. I've heard of the AI bots. I've heard of the AI trading. That is something that I'm planning to do for a future video. For now, I just want to do something that's much more simple, just asking it for signals and on different currency pairs, maybe saying, can you give me a signal for GBP USD, or can you give me a signal for Nasdaq, or whatever it is. So I'm going to be testing all that in today's video, and if you're interested, stick around because yeah, I'm going to be doing it all in this video. So the two AI models that I'm going to be testing are ChatGPT and Grok AI, which is Elon Musk's AI model. So let's get straight into it, and I'm very excited, man. Let's go. All right, guys, so I'm in the process of opening my account. You can see that this is the XM platform, so let's just log in and see here. Okay, so
incoming mail.
Trading, as you guys can see, there's 1,000 Rand in this account. So some of you guys may not understand how our currency works. So 1,000 Rand is equivalent to 61 US dollars. I wanted to fund using US dollars, but XM was giving me problems, so we will just be using rands, but I will be doing conversions obviously for you guys who don't understand the currency, who aren't in South Africa. So anyway, let us now jump into the AI and ask it for a signal. We've got gold opened up here. We've got Euro USD, USD JPY, GBP USD. So let us start with the first one. Let's start here with Euro USD and see what ChatGPT as well as Grok will be able to generate for us in terms of a signal. This is what I have typed. I said, can you please, so this is ChatGPT, I said, can you please give me a signal buy or sell for Euro USD as of 15:30 South African Standard Time, preferably a short-term signal. So as you can see, the time right now is 3:30 here in South Africa. So I want ChatGPT to give me a signal of this very moment. So I specified the time and I said a short-term signal because I don't have time to be doing long-term signals. And let us see if ChatGPT will be able to give us anything. So let me send that to ChatGPT and see what it comes up with. So okay, so ChatGPT just said that it can't read the market right now, but what it can do is give us a signal based on, what did it say? Signal based on the latest macro plus technical context. So let's do this. Let's try it out, even though ChatGPT says that it can't read the market, but they do take the latest macro and technical context into consideration. So I don't know if this is going to be a good signal or not, but we'll go ahead and we'll consider it. So the short-term Euro USD bias today says my short-term call, slight buy bias, bullish Euro USD, but cautious, scalp only. So it has given us a reason for the slight buy signal that it has given us. So let us go into the market and buy, and let us see what we are going to get out of this. But ChatGPT seems very, very unsure about this signal. But anyway, we are going to go ahead and place that buy either way. All right, so I'm going to open up this buy order here. I'm going to be using the lowest lot size. Okay, let's just use, 2 cents, 4 cents, right? 4 cents, and let us set that buy and see how the signal goes. Right, so buy, There we go. There's the buy right there. So we are now in a 17 rand loss, 25 rand loss. So the trade just opened. We're gonna give it some time, but in the meantime, let us go to Grok AI on X and see what Grok tells us. We're gonna type in the exact same thing that we typed in on ChatGPT and basically see what feedback we get on Grok AI. All right, so we are here with Grok, and then we're just going to copy and paste exactly what we asked ChatGPT and send that message through. Let's see what we get here. I think we're gonna get pretty much the same thing. Okay, so this is different. Short-term technical outlook. This is what we want. We want the signal, that's all. It says strong sell signals dominate. Strong sell signals dominate on daily time frames. Major platforms, e.g. investing.com, show strong sell based on moving averages and indicators, with most MAs aligned bearish. All right, RSI is around 21 to 34 levels, oversold on some readings, but momentum still favors sellers. Neutral to bearish overall. Price testing. For a short-term signal, the bias leans sell. So, as a whole, what Grok is telling us here is that we should be selling right now. So this is the exact opposite of ChatGPT. And I am going to go ahead and place a sell as well, because you know what I mean. We're going to see which one will be profitable. So I trust Grok more, so I'm going to go ahead and double the lot size here, and I'm going to sell. And we are going to wait probably, I don't know, I'm going to wait about maybe 10 minutes or 20 minutes, and I'm going to come back and give you guys an update on which AI model did better on the signal. And moving forward, that is the AI model which I'm going to be using for the rest of this video. I don't want to make this video too long, so we'll see which AI model is profitable at this trade, and that is the AI model that I'm going to be sticking with. Alright guys, so it has been about 20 minutes right now. I said I was going to give these things about 30 minutes, and I just want to show you guys a quick update before I give them 10 more minutes who's winning. And let's just say that it was what I anticipated. And so as you can see right here, Grok AI is winning. The sell order is in profit. That was the sell that we got from Grok AI. Like I said, I told you guys, we're sitting at a profit of about 20-30 rand right now. The market definitely has been consolidating. It has not been going in one direction, so I am going to be giving them a little bit more time just to really get that decisiveness within the market. ChatGPT sitting at a 59 rand loss. I do want to be making profit though, so after this I'm going to be hopping on gold, and I'm going to be going with whichever AI model, like I said, wins, and I'm going to be getting that gold signal. Gold has a lot of money, so that is where I'm going to be hopefully making my profit. If I wait long enough and this sell goes down a bit further, maybe up until this point here, I think that that sell order will pass that loss, and I will end up making a bit of profit. So yeah, I'll wait for a little bit, and then I'm gonna have to close the trade, and then I'll go with the winning AI model to get my profit from gold, hopefully. So yeah, let's give it a little bit more time. I told you guys, all I have to say is that I told you guys about Grok AI. Let me give you guys this update. I have a very positive update. I told you guys that this sell order would eventually overtake this buy order, which is in loss right now. We are sitting in a profit of 19 rand. It's not much, but I told you guys, Grok AI, perfect sell order that we got from them. 120 plus minus 120 rand. This is insane. I am closing these orders before anything else happens, because these are short-term orders obviously, so I am going to close it. Shout out to Grok AI. This is what we are going to be using now for the gold signal. Hopefully we make money by gold. Yeah, we have made 15 rand so far. These are the orders right over there, and yeah, let us go and ask Grok for a gold signal, because yeah, we need to make more money than this. All right, let's send it over to Grok and see what signal we get for gold. So let's see what signal we get here. We're not going to read all that other stuff. All we want is a signal. Price action, sure, for a short-term signal, the bias leans buy. Long gold dips toward bada 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 bada. All right, so basically what we're being told here is that gold will most likely buy. It is most likely in a bullish bias right now, so that was what we are going to be going for, bias short term. So this is what we're going to be going for. There's warning signs everywhere, guys. This is not something that is 100% safe. I just want to tell you guys that as well. I'm not selling you a dream here. This is not something that's really safe. Only do this on a demo account or with money that you are willing to lose after having tested it on a demo. Please, 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 I cannot stress that enough. All right, so 3 cents has finally worked. We're gonna wait here and see what we will make with this on this gold signal, man, from Grok AI. Let's see. Oh my goodness, guys, I really did not look at this. Look at this buy here. Look at that. Look at the amount of profit that I'm in right now. I've literally doubled this account. Look at this. Oh my goodness. You. Grok AI. Show everybody. This is how much profit that we're making right now. We're making $61 right now. So in total, this is how much I have in my account. $123. Look at this. Insane.
Yes, I'm no A, one on way. All see hunts all day. Top chef, fish saute. Condo in LA. President, what with the day? President die. Ooh, in another state. Now we can relate.
Yo, guys, so when I did this challenge, when I started this challenge, I really did not expect this. I knew Grok AI was intelligent, but I didn't know this intelligent. This is really, really insane. Like, I cannot believe it. My goodness. I really cannot believe this. I'm sitting on 1,000 Rand plus profit right now. Doubled my account within an hour. And it's still going up right now. Let me look at this. Look at that. 1.2. Look at that. Look at this. Bro, Grok AI is insane. Look at that. To Elon Musk, bro. If you guys want to try this out for yourselves at home, do it at your own risk. Please try it out in a demo first before you actually go to a real account. This is very, very risky. I just want to give you guys that disclaimer that this is incredibly risky. By no means is this a safe way of trading. So yeah, guys, try it at your own risk, but please try it first on a demo account before you decide to go to a real account, and only trade with money that you're willing to lose. Wow, I'm shocked. Like, I don't know if I'm really lucky or this Grok AI thing actually works. Like, it's between the two right now. Like,
Keep your wife, I'ma take her your daughter. We hold it down, I'ma award her. I'm still listening, reason I'm smarter. Saying vote for whatever we I know my purpose. European car came with curtains. I can't but down on by the baby Birkin. Good ain't got her legs hurting.